Je souffre de la cataracte il y a de cela 3 ans, ce qui ne me permet pas de bien lire et en circulation aussi, j'ai des difficultés. Puis, pour circuler la nuit, c'est du calvaire.
We are here in Togo, more precisely in Tohon, a town located 148 kilometers from Lomé. In this community, mothers and fathers, young people and children all share the same hope: to regain clear vision, to recover the sight they once had.
This is our 6th medical trip, but first time in Togo, Africa, first time in Africa, so everything is new for us. We like the weather right now, it's very nice. But my favorite part is the team, just getting to know everyone on the team, because we came a week before the surgical week, and I highly recommend that. Because you get to know everyone on the team, and so it's like a family. We just, 3 of us came from California, and we just joined them, and they just embraced us, and we enjoy all the times when we have downtime, which is very rare once the surgery starts.
Okay. So these are just, in America, we call them keloids. It's not an infection, it's just how her body responds to wounds. So there's nothing to do about it, but it's not dangerous. Okay. Yeah. Hey, want to eat one of these? Here. Papa. Yeah, it's sweet. This is my first trip to Togo with Sight.org, and I came as part of the ophthalmology team with Sophia and Taylor. I'm a nurse practitioner, and so I saw patients for various ailments, like there was a lot of waist pain from the farm work that they do, but also some infections and rashes on the skin.
I also inspired by all the staff. Their strong compassion to take care of all the people, and they work hard from early morning 6 to until midnight, past midnight. They still keep going until everyone is taken care of.
Yes, in the sun is amazing. Yeah, he says he fishes all the cataracts for us, but he's like the first to get up to do the unpatching, and then the last to go to bed, and so is Dominic, and so everyone in the room, yeah, they're just so hardworking.
Because of partners like them, what was once impossible became a reality for so many who were living in darkness. Through their incredible dedication and servant hearts, our team was able to help restore sight to people.
My favorite part of this trip, though, has really been working with the native staff. So they're like a family, and there's so much joy here. And so I've been on mission trips in the past, and usually there's just 1 or 2 staff that we work with, but here there's so many, and they're cross-trained, and all of them have such a heart for the gospel. And so I really appreciate how they care for people's physical health, but also their spiritual health. And so I'm so glad to be part of this team.
Aujourd'hui, on m'a enlevé le band et j'arrive à lire. Sinon, avant, je n'arrive pas à lire. Je lis très bien. Quand je prends mon portable, j'arrive à lire le répertoire facilement.
Yeah, I also got to enjoy the dancing class that Edo gave me.
Yes, okay, for sure. We're going to come back, yeah, and bring more people with us.
So Sophia and Taylor and I, we are planning our next trip to Togo. So come join us.
Together, we are bringing both physical and spiritual sight to those who need it most. We are Sight.org.